pull into the dealership here and show you how this park assist works. If we're going to park it here, we're going to show you a parallel park on this. So I've already hit the button here. The button right down here tells you to scan. It's going to scan for vehicles. You're going to use your turn signal, so make sure you have your turn signal on and just drive forward. You don't need to go real fast, so it's going to alert you once it finds an open spot. All right, there it goes. It found a spot for us. So we stop. We're going to shift into neutral, and now you just press this button down here where you press to get this going, and let go of the brake, and it's actually going to park it for you. And there we are. Shows you that it's finished. You let go of the button, put the car in park for you, and now you're parked. So look how close it got over here. You can see we have these poles up here, and it got really close, but it never hit the poles. It knew where it was at. It's got sensors going all the way around the vehicle to know exactly where the vehicle's at all times. So now we're going to show you how it actually pulls it out of the parking space for you. So once you've parallel parked, it'll actually get you out of that parallel parking spot too. So if you're not really good with getting in or out of parallel parking, this feature is awesome. So you see here, it tells me to shift the vehicle into neutral. Got my turn signal on. I want to get out on this right side over here. So I'm going to release the brake. I'm going to press the button. You watch it here. I'm not hitting the gas, I'm not hitting the brake, same as when we parked it. So see, it backed us up enough to where now we can put it in drive and pull on out. All right guys, again, my name's Tim Tanner. I'm a product specialist here at Heritage Ford. If you'd like to come out and test drive this vehicle or any vehicle we've got on our lot, come see us here at Heritage Ford, Corden, Indiana. Our phone number is 812-738-3284. Visit us online at heritagefd.com. Look forward to seeing y'all down here soon.